Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. So today I have another Valentine's fake bake video for you. Okay, so in one of my previous videos I have made some Spanish bread and it is called a concha. In English it is pronounced shell, and I wanted to do something similar. The only difference with the shape, it would be a heart. Now I am going to be using Model Magic, and you want to make sure that you knead your clay well. As you can see, when you first start kneading, it's a bit stiff, so you just want to keep kneading until the clay until it gets softer, and you'll see in just a minute that what is the difference. I don't know if you can tell there the difference with it, because I'm not struggling to pull it apart. All right, so once I have my clay all kneaded, now I did mix a little bit of brown and white to get a tan looking color. Now, okay, so now I'm going to be making two balls. I'm going to be using my hand, so because it's air clay, I don't really worry about any dents or handprints or what have you as much as I do if I would be working with foam clay. So now that I have my ball shape, I am going to be shaping it into a teardrop. Then I am going to use a baker's molding tool. If you do not have one, you can use a pencil or a pen, and that is just pretty much just shaping the top of the heart, making that V shape. Then I'm also just going to be using my hands, my fingers, just to continue shaping up. Because it is air clay, I don't really worry about the fingerprints, versus if it would be foam clay, then obviously I would be using my clear block. So this is extremely easy, nothing to it. So once I have my two heart shapes, then I'm going to go in and add the top layer. So now I'm going to be working on the top layer of the concha, and I want a light pink, so I'm just going to mix some white and pink in together. So once I have my clay all kneaded out and rolled out, I am going to use a hard cookie cutter and make my shape. So now that I have my heart shape, I'm just going to smooth out the edges. Now when it comes to slicing my clay, I like to use a cutter's clay knife. And this gives me because of the blade is very thin, it gives me a clean cut, versus if I were to use a regular knife, sometimes the clay gets stuck to the blade. So now that I have all of my heart all sliced up, so I am just going to carefully place one at a time, forming back my heart shape. So when you do lay your clay, make sure it's actually where you want it, because the clay being still soft, it can get stuck to your clay, and then once you try to pull it off, it can pull some of the other clay, and it's just gonna make a hot mess for you. And here I am using my baker's tool and just cleaning up the edges in between, and that is it. So now that I have this one, I would think this is cute, and I'm just going to finish my second one, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with the first one, and that's it. That's how easy and simple these little heart-shaped conchas were to make. So I want to share some exciting news. Someone reached out to me and asked if I could make some fake bakes for their baby shower. They were doing a Mexican theme and they saw my conchas in a previous video and, well, reached out to me and asked. And of course, I said yes without any hesitation. And because it's in February, I thought that these little heart conchas would be a great addition to the Mexican theme. I'm so excited. You know, I have never been asked for before, and I jumped quick to it, say yes. So yeah, you know, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm really hoping that she'll like it. Yeah, so who knows where this will take me, but I'm so excited, guys. I'll see if I can get her to get some pictures taken so I can share with you in my community page. All right, so here is a closer look to 3 of the heart-shaped conchas, and as you can see, this is the end of another video. So until the next time, my friends, stay safe, be kind, bye.